So now let's see how we can access out the cookies and cache option inside of Microsoft Edge. So to do that, you need to click on the three dot button over here and then go around onto settings. So once you go around over here, you can go around onto, let's say for example, cookies and site permissions. And over here on the top, you can see that manage and delete cookies and site data is an option. Once you go around and click, you can see that you have an option over here to allow sites to save and read cookies data. So that is passwords and everything else right here, like notification options and so forth. So you can turn this off or you can turn this on, and you can also turn off third-party cookies in case you use site that is untrusted as well. You can also see all cookies and site data over here, just like this, whatever you have actually added in. You can go back, and then what you can do is you can block certain websites right here. Let's say, for example, you want to block certain websites like www.wikipedia.org. So let's say you want to go around and then include third-party cookies on this site as well, and you want to block it, then cookies on this website won't be saved at all. But you can go around and make sure you allow some of the sites. Let's say, for example, you want to go around and type in www.microsoft.com right here, and then it makes sure that it always allows the cookies on from this particular site right here. You can also go around and clear out on exit like certain websites that when you close out Microsoft Edge, it'll simply clear out the cookies right here, just like this. And over here, you can see all the cookies and site data. And then over here, it preload spaces for faster browsing and searching. So it does not download the contents that has already been downloaded for faster browsing right here. And you can allow sites to save and read cookies data as well. So this is how you can go around and access out the cookies and cache option inside of Microsoft Edge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.